Hey there folks, thanks for joining me. It is the 21st of March 2025. Just here in the studio, I'm getting ready for workshop tomorrow, so usual chores have got to be done. Clay preparation, wheel preparation for the students, etc. Got a pot here I thought I'd just quickly show you, which is now some of you won't know what that is. I doubt. Some of you may. I actually found it in a sort of a semi-antique shop place here. It's stoneware, wood-fired, engraved. Anybody know what that is? If you know what it is, put it in the comments and we'll talk about it. So it's a mystery pot. It's actually made in England, not made over here. Alright, that's that. A little bit of mystery and suspense for you. Just getting this wheel here. I've got somebody who's coming on the workshop is picking up that wheel. It's one of the very first wheels I had made actually, and the person no longer required it, so sold it back to me, and I have resold it again. So yes. I was just putting a bit of linseed oil on it just to smarten it up, and it didn't have any bat pins, so I rustled up some bat pins. Other than that, it's really had very, very little use. So there it is, yeah. So what am I doing right now? I'm just getting some clay ready here. So some of this clay, I've been recycling clay. This is clay that I've recycled from the last batch of recycling I was doing. This is nice and soft. Some other clay that I had lying around there wasn't quite so soft, like this guy. Excuse me. So I'm just going to show you what I do if I have clay like this. It's not hard. I can still push my finger into it, but it's just a little bit on the hard side, you know, and I'm not as I like it. So I don't want the students to have clay that's too hard. So I reprocess it. Let me just get this iPad back here on the stand a minute. Bring it a little closer. So this is what I do, and I've been doing this for years. It works very well. So when you get your lump of clay into a square block like that, okay? Once you've got it into a square block, what you're going to do is take your fist and you're going to punch it like crazy. So what I'm doing is I'm punching the inner part of it, but not right the way to the edge, you see. And now you see what I'm doing. So effectively, I'm making a recess in the middle with a raised edge all the way around, okay? Well, you know what I'm going to do, of course, don't you? Yes. So then, are we in the picture? Are we in the? You see, so you can see there what I've got going on. You see, Right, now with some water, and I take something like it could be anything, something to hold on to, because what I want to do, and actually what I should do before I do that, there's a little bit of method in the madness, if you know what I mean. So take a plastic bag, put the plastic bag there like that. All right, and now take this, put it inside the plastic bag. Okay, so you can lift this up afterwards and close it. That's the point of it. All right, so what we're going to do now is, you want to have some idea of the depth here, because you don't want to punch it right the way through to the bottom. So just have a clue as to how. And now what I'm going to do is just as you know, my videos are raw. I do not edit them. So in some instances, when I'm doing stuff, it takes a little time. Okay, so you're just going to have to hang in there a bit, you know. So I'm just randomly just putting holes in it all over. Okay. I do not like pharmaceutical adverts for dogs or animals, or human beings for that matter. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. I'll show you what I've done. Okay, there it is. Right, what you're then going to do is take the water that you've got here in the jug, and you're going to carefully just pour water all over this till every hole is filled. Okay, so you see there I've got this little pond now, but every hole has got water in it. Once you've done that and you're satisfied that it's fully, every hole is filled, take a sponge, just put it over the top here and sponge off the excess. Like this. You see? Like that. Okay. Let's just bring the camera over there. Oops, don't put your finger over the lens. Okay, you see that? Right. That's what you're going to do. Oh, my friend Chris Smither is. So once you've done that, take this, raise it up, okay, and you can tie it off like this. And just put it to one side. Leave it for 24 hours. Now, Here's one I did yesterday, I think. So this one I did yesterday, look at it, it's soft as anything, everywhere. So the water in the holes is being absorbed back into the body of the mix. And this is beautiful and soft now. In fact, this is almost too soft to throw with. So what you can do sometimes is shake it a bit. Sometimes there's water that will come out, excess water. But this is really nice now. You see, you can always deal with clay that's too soft. You just unwrap it and leave it for a little bit, come back to it, and it'll be ready to throw. But clay that's too hard, it's no good, is it? Once it gets too hard, it's too hard, and that's a pain. So there you have it. That's just a quick tip for you. Show you how to soften up clay if it's too hard, how to bring it back into a nice soft condition. It doesn't take very long to do, and it does it itself. Once you've done all this and wrapped it up, the process is it does it. You don't have to worry about it. You just come back tomorrow, unwrap it, and you're good to go. So that what I did there will be tomorrow morning. I'll probably unwrap this. I've got another one here. Yeah, this is nice and soft too. Yeah. Okay, folks, there it is. I hope that is a help to somebody. If you want to come on a keep practicing workshop like we're going to be having tomorrow and Sunday, it's really a throwing workshop to teach you how to throw, but it's general in many ways, and you know, we touch on different things like raw glazing and kilns, looking at kilns, talking about kilns, and I do demonstrations and things as well. I'm going to be demonstrating the pottery glove tomorrow. That's because I got a little bit of a wonky finger and I'm just trying to keep it a little dry. So I'm going to be experimenting and seeing what it's like to throw with a vinyl glove on. Should be fun and games. It's not too bad actually. Okay, thanks for joining us, folks. If you want to come on a workshop, I will put the dates in the description of this video. You'll see them there, the dates, okay? Or you can just go to my website, simonleachpottery.com. Okay, hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.